can feel baby brother?
No.
No? Oh, put your hand right here. Oh, feel him moving?
Again?
Again? Say hi, baby brother.
Again?
Let's see. He'll do it again. Oh, he's being quiet. Say, baby brother, where are you?
It's quiet.
It's quiet, yeah.
Not see it.
You know? Oh, that's right here. He's being silly. Uh-oh. I'm going to get up close.
No.
Oh, did you feel him?
Mama do it.